Ito ang mga sangkap. This is the ingredients on the superfood that will cure your lung problem, itchy throat, dry cough. Blend this one, radish, carrots, and garlic, and lemon, the important thing. Divide it into three, and then put the blender, then squeeze the lemon, and add honey. This will cure a lung problem, pneumonia, bronchitis, dry cough, itchy throat, lung cancer either. But lung cancer is a continuous drinking of it, maybe 15 to 30 days. So you can drink it in the morning, at noon, and bedtime. And you will feel lighter the next day. You just add honey on it. It's just 1/4 cup of the juices, and you will feel better. You don't need to run to the hospital or to the pharmacy when you are in great need, especially when you are sick at night. I hope this will help you. Thank you for watching my video.